And we had another script called Om Shanti Om. So the direction is the same, the production house is the same. We changed the script. I thought this was a better film, was more ready and has a a more complete bound script to start off with.
So after signing the assignment, did you ever had a casual talk with Amitabh ji or any बात हुई?
किस बारे में?
Generally, मतलब you're doing a
कि वो कैसे हो अमिताभ? ऐसे मेरी कभी
केबीसी के संदर्भ में
अमिताभ के सामने कोई कैजुअल नहीं रहता, सब खड़े होके हाथ बांध के खड़े होते हैं.
Last 5 minutes to pose any more questions. Sameer, I have question for all three of you, starting from Sameer. What about this new session? How many Croropatis we'll have? Second one is for Shah Rukh. I mean, back of your mind, you know there's a competition for you. I mean, for Amitabh Bachchan was a brand to Kaun Banega Crorepati. What are you going to do? I mean, today people, if we say Kaun Banega Crorepati, it is Amitabh Bachchan. What are you going to do for that? Siddharth, after Quizmaster, Bonvita, Kaun Banega Crorepati, what is next?
And me? Okay, the first time we had one Crorepati, Harshvardhan. There was, we had a pair who won a crore, we had a boy who won a crore. But I don't think it works on that principle. I don't know how many will there be this time. And we think it will work very well.
Mr. Shah Rukh, excuse me, sir.
Please बोलिए किधर से?
किंग खान के शो में बिग बी कब नजर आएंगे, कितना वक्त लगेगा जब वो आपके सामने हॉट सीट पर आएंगे?
Like I said पहले कि अभी हमने डिसाइड नहीं किया है कि जो गेस्ट इनवाइटेड गेस्ट जो शो पर होंगे, I think Siddharth would be deciding.
Mr. Bachchan has gone on record several times on the show and otherwise saying that nothing would drag him, the wild horses wouldn't drag him to answer questions on the other side, and that he prefers to ask the questions, not the answers. But I'm sure Sameer would join me in cordially welcoming him whenever he would like to be on the other end of the hot seat to play for charity. And we'd welcome him very warmly indeed. We'd love that if he came, but he's already expressed himself very strongly against the idea of being on the other side.
4 minutes, sure. Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
company have you tied up?
Just finish with him, then I'll come to you.
Excuse me, sir. Christopher Ward, United States of America. I was wanting to know if you would ever consider starring in a U.S. role in Hollywood.
You see, when I was born, I was dreaming like that. But that doesn't make a difference what I desire. I think an actor has to depend for his employment on the producers and the directors. And if there is somebody who thinks I'm good enough to be in a film in Hollywood, and the role is nice enough and no which way demeaning to the kind of cinema I participate in, it's not like, the other time I went to LA for Paheli for Oscars, and I was quite shocked. Steven Spielberg wasn't there to meet me at the airport. So they don't know us, and I'm very, very happy and in no which way deriding the importance of the world cinema. But I'm immensely satisfied, immensely happy, and I think I have a long way to go to be able to satisfy what I want to do as an actor, as a producer, as an anchor, as a performer in my own home Indian films. And inshallah, which means God willing, I will be able to take Indian cinema onto a world stage in my lifetime. And that is the dream that I have here.
Hello, Shahrukh is Sunil from the Shahrukh ये 2000 में KBC का फर्स्ट सीजन शुरू हुआ था, तो उस समय कंपीटिंग चैनल्स ने क्या आपको अप्रोच किया था, क्योंकि उसके बाद सवाल 10 करोड़ का और गोविंदा छप्पर फाड़ के वगैरह आए थे?
I think first step था ऐसा sort of reality TV की तरफ Indian TV में KBC, और उस वक्त आप सही कह रहे हैं, बहुत सारे चैनल्स ने स्टार के साथ स्टार से हटकर मिलता जुलता बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स शुरू हुए थे, और आई थिंक उस वक्त हम सबको काफ़ी एक्टर्स को ऑफर्स थी, इंडियन एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेसेस में. KBC इज़ वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट, इंस्टिलिंग दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कि यार कर सकते हैं, हम जाके परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग और to do something like this. So I think उनकी वजह से ये change आया है. But I'm sure उस वक्त थोड़ा वक्त हो गया तो मुझे exactly याद नहीं है और वो shows हो भी चुके हैं. So I think it's unfair for me to say कि मैंने वो छोड़ दिया था और नहीं किया था. I think that time offer with it.
Yeah, would you be promoting your films also through KBC? Maybe
जो सारे सवाल हैं वो मेरी आने वाली फिल्म के बारे में होंगे.
Is KBC an exception, or is this the beginning of more television shows? Are you open for that?
See, like I said to the gentleman from America, an actor or a performer's job is hugely dependent on the producers, the directors, and the presenters and makers of the show. You can't just keep on dreaming about this, that I'll wake up in the morning and I'll do, after this, I'm going to be the Saas in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Baat. I would love to, but that offer has to be made and I have to look good in a sari. So you have to depend on who's making it, if you're offered that job and everything in terms of time, monies, availability and your sensibility fits in. So if there is something else that gets offered to me after I finish my work with KBC and Star, one would look at it exactly in the same goodness and humility that I've looked at KBC.
Samir, how many contract is for how many episodes in Shah Rukh Khan? And also which mobile company is signing up with you for this?
The contract is for 2 years, for 2 seasons. We've not yet tied up with the mobile company, but we are in talks with all the majors, Hearts, Airtel, Reliance, everyone. So that should be done in a few days.
शाहरुख अगर आपको मौका दिया जाए तो आप हॉट सीट पे किसे बिठाना पसंद करेंगे और क्यों?
मैंने बताया, I'd like जो भी contestants आएंगे, choose होके normal process से, I would like them to. For me, that is the most endearing and the most important aspect of the show. किसी भी celebrity या किसी और को नहीं है, वो भी बहुत interesting होगा. क्या हुआ? लेकिन हाँ चलता है. जो normal process से आएंगे. I'm most excited for all of them from which I'm part of them.
समीर जी आयो समीर जी
ये क्रिकेट तो अभी मार्च में आ रहा है, वो रात को खेलेंगे. We have no concern about cricket World Cup actually. वो सारे इंडिया गेम्स तो वीकेंड पे ही हैं.
शाहरुख, हमने करोड़पति किस तरह से सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, प्लीज.
क्रिसमस में सिद्धार्थ मुझे कंप्यूटर सिखाएंगे और न्यू ईयर्स में समीर मुझे कुर्सी पर बैठना सिखाएंगे. But honestly, I'll be with the family. I think these occasions become very important for the family. And समीर ने हमको जब ये प्रोग्राम बता रहे थे तो सिद्धार्थ को मुझको यही कहा था कि basically न्यू ईयर्स तो तुम्हारा गया. And but one will still try and spend 2-3 days with the children, with friends and family. That's what I've been doing for years. Sometimes I go to Delhi and visit the rest of the family. Or now I'll stay in my house and play with the kids. And that's the most beautiful way I can think of spending the day. On behalf of all of us, thank you so much for coming and God bless you. Yeah, we look picture. Thank you.